You do okay, like? Huh?
God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of the heavens and the earth, we pray that you bless Biafra. And we pray that you bless Biafra Special Military Squad. We pray that Chukwu Okike Abiama bless General Chukwu Madike Amimon, the demon of the east, his second in command, General Eze Chukwu Festus. We pray for the blessings of Chukwu Okike Abiama on the indigenous people of Biafra, which is IPOB. And also we pray for the grace, the love, and the blessing of Chukwu Okike Abiama on the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. We pray blessings to all lovers of freedom. We pray blessings, protection, grace, love to all lovers of freedom. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Once again, it is I, Nana Victor Maxwell, I am back live. Right now, I'm sorry I was supposed to come exactly by 2 p.m. on the dot, but network connections and, Zoo network connections and all that delayed I coming online. But finally, right here I am online. And what did I come to talk about? I came to talk about the hypocrisy of the so-called Christians in Nigeria and even in Biafra land. The hypocrisy of the so-called Christians in the wider zoo called Nigeria and also in Biafra land, and the need for Biafra special military squad to be armed. We all have seen the happenings that are going on in the wider zoo called Nigeria and also in Biafra land. We have seen how these killings have been going on, the massacre have been going on, the kidnapping have been going on, the frustration against our people have been going on, and the grave hypocrisy, the mighty hypocrisy. This is what I target. Is it because the hypocrisy is mighty and the need for Biafra special military squad to be armed. The need for Biafra special military squad to be armed. That is the reason why I came online to talk. Now, we can all see that these killings have not just extended on Biafrans alone, it has also extended wider towards everyone. And that is the fact on ground. The Fulani headsmen are still on their rampage, killing our people, destroying our people, raping the mothers, destroying crops on the farms, attacking reverend fathers and all that. We all know what they are doing. It's no longer news. It's no longer a new something. But the question here is, why is the Christian world silent? I'm not drawing this topic because I saw the Reverend Fathers. In fact, the Reverend Fathers who were protesting, the question I'm asking now is, why are they protesting? For what reason are they protesting? Who are they protesting for? Who do they want to look into their matter? What exactly are they protesting for? And I have a lot of numerous questions to ask. There are numerous questions that are looking for answers, and nobody is giving us any answers about it. Numerous questions. Numerous questions. So many people will say, why are you talking about Christianity? Why do you want to talk about Christianity? Why don't you focus on the struggle? No. We must call a spade a spade. We must call a spade a spade. Because our people, majority of our people are Christians. And majority of our people go to all these churches. Not only Yoruba churches, but also churches belonging to Biafrans. And do you know what? The truth is never been told. Why are those reverend fathers, those Catholic priests, why are they protesting now? All the killings that have been going on in Biafra land, none of them protested. They never protested. They said nothing against it. The indigenous people of Biafra were killed. IPOB members were killed in Mpo, in Aba, in Iguacha, countless times. Some were kidnapped. Some were killed and acid was poured on their body. Some were decimated. The Christian world said nothing. The men of God said nothing. Understand this very clearly. I am not attacking anyone, but this is we want to set the record straight. We want to know the reason why this hypocrisy is lingering. So why are they protesting? Because a reverend father was killed? Is that why they were protesting? Is that the reason why they were protesting? Because a reverend father was killed? And that reverend father that was killed, is he the first reverend father that has been murdered by the Fulani headsmen? Now, the other churches in Biafra land and also in the wider zoo called Nigeria, what are they doing? Why this hypocrisy? They are not saying anything. All of them are silent. All the daddy GOs, and the mommy GOs that owns churches in Biafra land and also in the wider zoo called Nigeria, that have refused to talk about this doom on our people, that have refused to talk about the sufferings of our people, that have refused to talk about the rampage carried out by the Fulanis. They have refused to talk about it. Why? Why the hypocrisy? What is going on in the Christendom? What is going on in the Christian world? Why? Why? We the people and the soldiers of Biafra Special Military Squad, we have been calling for arms. Yes, we have been calling for arms. We've been calling for support online and other places too, through every medium which our hands could grab on. Yes, so many people have been condemning what we are doing, but we do not even care. Someone like me don't care. So many people have been sowing so many numerous rubbish against Biafra Special Military Squad, but somebody like Nana don't care. I don't care. I, Commander Nana, I don't care. The rants that the people are saying, that we, Biafra Special Military Squad, why are we asking for arms online? Why are we talking about arms online? Oh my God. And I'm asking people, please, if I don't come online to solicit for arms, if we don't come online to ask for arms, if we don't come online to propagate our gospel, if we don't come online to reach out to people, how are we going to move our movement forward? Are we going to do it by going to house by house and knocking on the doors of individuals? Oh, please give us arms. Oh, please give us arms. Going around house by house, knocking on their doors for us to give us arms? It doesn't make any sense to me. Media has been the key, and media has been the key. Media is the key, and media has been the key. The same Facebook that you use in propagating your gospel is the same Facebook that we use in propagating our own gospel. So you have no right to come and start telling us that we shouldn't come online and start clamoring for arms. Why? Do you know what Facebook has helped us to build? This Facebook that you are seeing, some will be saying, leave this Facebook thing you're doing. What is wrong with some people? Facebook is a media whereby you can propagate whatever you want to propagate. So many people propagate their businesses. So many people propagate their goods and services on Facebook, online, in order for people to reach out to them, in order for people to patronize them. And as far as I'm concerned, and as to the best of my knowledge, since this struggle has been going on, we all have been championing this struggle, majorly online and also on ground. So what is this about? What is really going on? There's so much hypocrisy. I know the reason why I choose this topic, and I know the reason why I put Christianity, because majority of our people are Christians. Even those people that are condemning BSMS, they are Christians. Yes, we must call a spade a spade. So many people don't want me to talk because they know the vibration that my talk carries. They know that I speak the truth. Someone called me, a very active Biafran agitator called me, and the person told me, do you know that if I want to make a program, some people really call me from Europe and they're asking me, please don't allow Nana to talk. Don't allow Nana to talk. If Nana talks now, Nana will scatter everything. Don't allow Nana to talk. Really? Wow. The woman called me and told me, I won't mention her name, but it's the fact. She's a popular Biafran agitator. People think I'm not going to speak, or one way or the other, they have succeeded in shutting down BSMS. Fucking fat lie. We are on ground, and we shall remain on ground, and we shall carry out this duty. We don't care what the fuck anybody says. We don't care what people say. We don't care what you come and say online. Cheap media propaganda is never going to stop us. Blackmail online can never stop Biafra Special Military Squad. We are going to keep clamoring for arms. We are going to keep shouting for arms online. We don't care whether you like it. We don't care whether you don't like it. We don't care whether you see it to be professional. We don't care whether you see it not to be professional. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. because we are on ground. You understand? Now, back to my main topic. What is this about this hypocrisy that is lingering in the church? What? Why this hypocrisy? Why this hypocrisy? Why this hypocrisy? Those Catholic priests that we are protesting because a Catholic priest was killed. Why are they protesting? Since all IPOB members have been killed during all those protests, that IPOB members in which I am a member, and I know how many protests that I joined my fellow IPOB members to carry out. And most of us were killed. The record is there. Me, I was born and brought up in Aba province, Biafra land. Every protest that happened in Abia State, I took part of it. I know how everything happened. You can ask Mazi Yerioba. He can tell you. We know how many of our friends we lost in protests. We know how many of our loved ones that we lost in protests. We know how many, oh my God. We know how many people we lost in protests. I know how many of my best friends that I lost in protests that the Zoo Army and the police shot dead. And nobody spoke about it. Those idiotic Reverend fathers did not protest. Suddenly they've all lost their voices. Suddenly they lost their voices then. And now they want to start protesting. God punish them. May Chukwu Abiyama punish them. This is the reason why BSMS have been calling out for arms. For us to be armed. 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 Because we are on ground. And we are the people who can carry out this mission against these Fulanese. We understand the Fulanese more than every other person. Yes, I'm not bragging. It is a fact on ground. Biafra Special Military Squad, we understand the Fulanese more than anybody. We understand the Fulanese more than all of you. We understand I'm saying it with every alacrity. I'm saying it with every morale. I'm saying it with every confidence. That is why we keep on calling for arms. That is why Biafra Special Military Squad, we are going to keep calling for support until we get everything that we need. So many people will come online and be saying, Biafra Special Military Squad, you guys need to start doing something. You need to start doing something. Start something. Start doing something. Start doing something. Start doing something. What have you guys done? What have you guys done? What have you guys done? You need to start doing something. If we tell you what we have done, you will still be the same person to condemn it. If we tell you the actions that BSMS have carried out against the Fulanese, you will still be the one to condemn it. So unfortunately, we don't bring our missions online. We don't bring our accomplishments online for you to see. All we do is to call out for support and for arms online. And for more soldiers online. That is what we do. And most of you who are saying that BSMS should do this, BSMS should start killing them, BSMS should start working. What are we going to work with? Our testicles? My manhood? Wait, you want BSMS to start working? You want BSMS to start attacking the Fulanese? You want BSMS to start working, to start killing the Fulanese? You want BSMS to start action? But we have been calling out for arms since over a year ago. For over a year ago, Biafra Special Military Squad have been calling out for arms. General Chukwumadike Amemon, the demon of the East, the leader of Biafra Special Military Squad, have been calling out for arms. And everybody turned deaf ears. And they felt it was to our own peril. Ema hindi Igbo. Obasaram, maybe in Europe. Obasaram, maybe in Europe. Obasaram, it's none of my business. I live in Europe. I don't care. I don't care. I live in Europe. Highest, I live in Europe. Or I live in America, or I live somewhere else. I'm not in Biafra land. These are the people that don't understand what is going on in Biafra land. And they are still the same Christians. Dying in hypocrisy. Dying in hypocrisy. Do you know how many reverend fathers have been killed? The Catholic world said nothing. The people that brought Christianity to our people, they said nothing. Italy said nothing. Rome said nothing. Mbaka has suddenly lost his voice. Mbaka, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, he has suddenly lost his voice. He's no longer speaking. There was a picture that was making rounds on the internet that is Mbaka. That's not Mbaka in that picture. That picture you saw is not Mbaka. Mbaka was never in that protest. The man have come out to clear the air that he was not in that protest. But imagine a man of that nature making such statement that he was not even in that protest. That is to show you the level of hypocrisy. These are the same reverend fathers and bishops that gathered themselves and went to Abuja to see Jubril Aminu al-Sudani. Collected money from him. Called him Messiah and all that. And now the Fulanis have killed the reverend father and they are shouting. Do you know how many reverend fathers that have been decimated by the Fulanis? Do you know how many reverend fathers that have been killed? Do you know how many reverend fathers that have been killed? Why are they protesting on this one? Why? Is it that this is the time that they are seeing it? And not just the Catholic world, other churches in Biafra land and Yoruba churches, fraud churches, those scallywags, those opportunists, those scammers known as Yoruba pastors. They are also part of the reason why our people are wallowing in self-denial. They are also the reason why our people are wallowing in cowardice. Our people, in fact, I don't even know whether we are cowards now. I don't know what to describe our people with. People are being killed. Lives are being lost. People are being killed. People are being killed. And they win them mad. Do not watch and get it. Make sure not online. They RIP. RIP. Ewonya who say picture at online. They RIP. They pray statement. They chat pray statement. They RIP. Kahanga. Echifula ni ewonya ozo. Apatakwa they RIP. RIP. Bekwa heo. Ahapukwa ya. Edekwa RIP under. Till we meet to part no more. My Biafran brother, rest in peace. Yes. That is all our people know how to do. Coming up online and be typing RIP. And I want to clear this perception that so many people have in their mind. So many people, when we make posts, they come to a post and say, join IPOB, join IPOB. And I'm like, wow. Is it that some people don't understand common English? Or is it that some people are stupid? IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra. Are we not all indigenous people? Some people don't understand common English. Simple grammar, they don't understand it. Indigenous People of Biafra. Indigenous People of Biafra. Listening carefully, Indigenous People of Biafra. That means the indigenes of Biafra. Please, am I an out-digene? Is there any grammar like out-digene? Let me borrow this uncalled grammar. Please, are we out-digenes? Are we not Biafrans? We are Biafrans. We are Biafrans, and everyone has the right to fight for Biafra. You understand? We are all Biafrans, and we took the oath in IPOB. I belong to First Road Zone 1 Aba. Everybody know it is a very popular zone. All of them, even their coordinator, they know me. First Road Zone 1 Aba. That is my IPOB family. Just as every BSMS soldier belongs to each IPOB family elsewhere in their towns and their communities. General Chukwu Madike Amimon is also an IPOB member. He also took their oath in Ibino Babi. For those people that will be coming online and be saying, go and take IPOB oaths. Go and take IPOB. Which IPOB oath? Is it the one that we have taken? Our general went to Arochukwu. Arochukwu in Ibino Pabe. That is where the oath is being taken. That place they call Chukwu Kikabiama. That place is Ibino Pabe. We have to be saying the truth. It's Ibino Pabe. That is where we went and we took our oath. You understand? So anybody who comes online, BSMS, go and take your oath. BSMS, go and take your oath. Which other oath do you want? The people that we follow to take the oath, they can attest to it. But that's not why I came online here. The reason why I came online, I came to understand the reason why the Christian world are silent. Why are they silent? What kind of hypocrisy is this? What kind of... There was a post I saw. One Reverend Matthew Kuka, Reverend something, he's saying that we should stop blaming the Fulani herdsmen for the carnage being perpetuated against our people and the wider Nigeria, that we should stop blaming the Fulanis. Imagine, a man of God, imagine. Redeemed pastors were kidnapped. They were kidnapped. Maybe they are free now. I heard they are free. I don't know whether they are free or not. But what their pastor could do was to call out for prayers. Why all this hypocrisy? Kedu ihe ndị ba ije asọkwu otu a? Ahụ eziokwu a na-agbajara eziokwu a na-agbajara eziokwu ọnụ. Kwuonu na eziokwu ka unu dị ndụ. Kwuonu na eziokwu ndị mmadụ. Kwuonu na eziokwu ndị na-aga chọọchị. Ndị pastọ na-emechicha ọnụ, nwunye na-ekwu eziokwu. Ndị pastọ niile arachicha ọnụ, na-ana tait, na-ana offering, na-agba jet, na-egiri. BSMS anọrọ na-akpọ for arms, na-akpọ for arms. Onye ọbụla agba nkịtị, na-eme ọgbasara m. Onye ọbụla na-eme ọgbasara m. Otu aka arụta mmanụ, ọ ga-ezu ibe ya ọnụ. Ihe ọkpụ a na-agbajọ ya agbajọ. Otu aka arụta mmanụ, ọ ga-ezu ibe ya ọnụ. We'll keep calling for arms. And there is this perception that some ignorance carry that arming BSMS, that they don't want a South Sudan-like situation. What the fuck? What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? Are we not all under oath? Are we not all under oath? We took our oath in IPOB, yes. And mind you, IPOB is a peaceful organization. Peaceful. People don't understand simple English. I keep repeating it. Simple grammar. Beke oyibo na aso. Ndị mmadụ adịrị aghọta ya. Ka m nwere Igbo kwuo ya biko. IPOB bụ nwayọ ka ha ji aga. Fada enye nsogbu, fada anụ ọgụ. Ife a na-eme bụ udo ka ha ji na-achọ Biafra. Nke anyị sonye n'ime ya mgbe anyị banyere IPOB wee ṅụọ iyi na ya ma nle Biafra na fama nlekwa na anyị nwa bụ ụmụ Biafra. Ife a bụ iyi anyị ṅụrụ. Mana a na-eme enwe ka ife si dị enegharịa ya anya. Anyị niile bụ ndị Biafra. We have the right to agitate for Biafra freedom. You understand? You cannot be in Europe and telling me not to arm myself. It's impossible. Impossible. You are not on ground. You know nothing. You are in Europe typing RIP. RIP. Fulani Igbo mmadụ ese ya picture post to you online. Unu abịa na-ede RIP gedegide RIP ebe niile echi edecha RIP ebe press statement ka ha ga echi Fulani egbu okwu onye ọzọ. An IPOB principal officer was killed. An IPOB principal officer was killed. Ana enekwa anya ka amalụkwa kedu ife ga-eme. Anyị ga-agbakwa nkịtị na-anya mmadụ ole ka a ga-egbu tupu anyị anụ ọgụ a. Mmadụ onye ka a ga-egbu tupu anyị echekwa onwe anyị. Mmadụ ole ka a ga-egbugodu tupu anyị akwadobe onwe anyị. Mmadụ ole ka a ga-egbugodu tupu anyị amalụ na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Apụtasị anyị ekwu n'okwu. Kedu ife ga-ejisi anyị ekwu n'okwu maka nke gịnịzi? We are talking about arms. He said we shouldn't be calling for arms online. You mad? Pow! We'll be calling for arms. And we are still calling for arms. We don't care if you like it. We don't care if you don't like it. We don't care. We don't care. We care less. Because we are on ground and we need those arms in order to defend ourselves. And you are in Europe talking, saying that if you arm these people now, Biafra will be like South Sudan. Who told you that? Are you stupid? Why do you reason from your nose? Our people, it's like our people, most of our people, not all, because we have our people who are reasonable. Some people reason from their noses. Ị ga-ahụ onye bi na US for 20 years or bata baby Biafra land. On na US na-asị gị wait, we are working on it. We are working on it. Ọmakwa ụzọ be ya. Ọmakwa ụzọ be ha. Ọ batabekwa Biafra, ọmakwa ụzọ Biafra land. We go only 50 years on US. We get back on ya. We go 30 years ebe ahụ. Ma ndị na Europe. Ha efugo na Europe. Ha mara ụzọ be ha na Biafra land. Fa nọ na Europe na-asị gị okwu arms anyị na-ekwu. Kedu ife iji na-ekwu okwu arms? Ka ị pụta online na-ekwu okwu. Kedu ebe m na-ekwu okwu arms ọ bụrụ na ma pụtara online kwu ya? Ma ebe n'ụlọ na-akụ aka n'ụzọ. Ọga Okorie nye m arms. Ọga Ifeanyị nye m arms. Ọga Tamuno nye m arms. Kedu ebe mma apụtakwa okwu arms? Onjebe n'ụlọ kwuba okwu arms ka anyị na-ajụ unu. Kedu ife unu chọ ka anyị mee ndị osochi egbu a? Ndị Christians, ndị osochi egbu, ụmụ ekwensu, hypocrisy gbuo unu. Hypocrites everywhere. You guys are hypocrites. Christians in Nigeria, even Christians in Biafra land, they are hypocrites. Big time hypocrites. They are afraid to speak the truth. Afraid to face the reality on ground. You are afraid to speak the truth. Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid to speak the truth? You are seeing the situation on ground and you know that Fulani does not understand diplomacy. You are seeing the situation on ground and you know that Fulani amariha na pen and paper. If a Fulani mabu abata egbugodi as diokale ebugodi egbuogi ọ na enwe nwanne gị nwanyị na ejidegodi abụọ he okwu ya laa ya ezigbo ọtụ lasie ya ike lajasistia ya ọtụ ya jide mma gị nọrọ n'ihu gị laa mma gị ezigbo ọtụ mma gị ka m na-agwa gị ọkwa alasịa ụmụnne gị ala mma gị alasịa mma gị ala mba gị alasịa ụmụnne gị niile egbuo unu nke aga apụta online dey RIP. Hey, he was a good man. Hey, they were a good family. RIP o RIP RIP o RIP. Till when ka anyị na-ajụ unu till when? Kedu mgbe oge ebi? RIP niile a na-apụta online na-ete bi SMS a na-ebe akwa ngwa agha na-eti mkpunye na anyị ngwa agha. Onye ọbụla arụrụ ntị raa, onye ọbụla emechi ọnụ nwere onye na-ekwu okwu. Unu agbacha nkịtị na-akọtọ. Go and join IPOB. Go and join IPOB. But IPOB is a peaceful organization. IPOB is not an armed group now. IPOB adịghị nsogbu. IPOB believe in diplomacy. Then BSMS is an armed group. So how is it going to work? Adịghị m aghọta ife na-eme isi ndị mmadụ. Ndị a na-apụta na-asị anyị go and join IPOB, go and join IPOB, go and join IPOB, go and join IPOB. But we are IPOB already now. We are indigenous people already. Unu chozi ego pie in indigenous people. Abụ indigenous people na nwa abịrịba. Abụ m nwa abịrịba na-achị okenye. Abụ m nwa abịrịba na-achị okenye. Abụ m nwa abịrịba na-achị okenye. Abụ m nwa ezi nwa Biafra akpọ. Ga-abịasị m ga join na IPOB. M na join IPOB under ngị na-eme. IPOB adịghị ebu egbe. IPOB adịghị ebu mma. IPOB no dey give problem. IPOB no dey kill anybody. IPOB na peaceful organization. Maybe una no dey understand English language or peaceful organization. Maybe we should be equity na bekee kwe ya n'Igbo. IPOB is a peaceful organization. Peaceful. They are peaceful. Very peaceful. And they believe in diplomacy. And it's working for them. It's working for them. And we respect them for that. But in BSMS, we don't believe in diplomacy. We don't believe in protest. Why do we have that sort of modus operandi? Because we know the Fulani is more than all of you. My General Amemon, the demon of the East, he infiltrated the Fulanis just to study them. just to study them, just to know their strength and their weaknesses. Our people still came out and they started condemning General Chukwuma Amimo. That he's a Muslim, he's a this, oh, a Muslim, oh my God, Botania Kegbo, Botania Kegbo, Botania Kegbo, hey, oh, Chineke, oh, you can fend Osa, oh, you can fend Osa, oh, Pasabo, oh, Kwaka, Lenundara Nazondo, Lenundara Nazondo, Ndara Nazondo, Pota, na bottom madi, na konwoke madonu. Nwoke mmadụ na-ata ndụ ya ahụhụ, tinye family ya on the line, tinye soldiers ya on the line, tinye ndụ soldiers ya on the line, tinye ndụ family ya on the line, na-ekwu okwu, na-ekwusi okwu ike, na-abasi mba ike. Our base was attacked by the Zoom military and we outsmarted them. Anyị eme Vapobe. General Amemon has risked his family, his life, our lives, and the lives of his soldiers just to protect our people. Yet our people cannot read. Our people are so ungrateful. They believe in living in denial. Ka Chineke emezie okwu. Ka Chineke emezie okwu. Ka anyị jekpe na ekpere na chapel. Ka anyị jekpe na Ava Maria. Ka anyị kpee na Ava Maria. Ava Maria. Church. Let us pray so that the Fulanis will go and die. Let us pray. For how long are we going to keep praying? Me, I was born into a Christian home, but I don't send anybody. They talk the truth. Christians are hypocrites. Especially those reverend fathers. All the pastors in Nigeria, they are hypocrites. And this is a bit of should I call it an instruction or should I call it an advice to the Fulani herdsmen? Because Fulani herdsmen, if you want to kidnap church people, stop kidnapping their members. Go for the GOs, please. Fulani herdsmen, I'm talking to you people now. If you want to kidnap Christians, stop kidnapping the poor members, please. Fulani herdsmen, you need to stop kidnapping the poor members. The poor church goers. Go for the pastors. If you want to kidnap, go for bishop. Without bishop see cases in Ije Brios will piam. Without Mbaka then I unu je unu ebulia piam. Unu chokwa area unu area wakaraka. Those poor members that you people, the Fulani herdsmen, are abducting, it means nothing. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. Ọ dịghị emetụ ha n'arụ. Ọ dịghị emetụ ndị man of God ndị a n'arụ na. Ndị man of God a gbasịrị nkịtị na. Ha dịgoro serious na Titan offering ha na jet ha na-agba na. Ebe a ka obi anọ. Europe ha na-eje na. Enjoyment ha na-eme ọhịa na ha n'isi. Ọ bụgodo na ị na-anwụ, you as a church member na-anwụ, Fulani na-ewepụgodo gị isi, ọ gbasara. Highest asị gị ka ekpe ya ekpele. Ekpesi ekpele nke ahụ aga, echi egbu okwe gị. That is why BSMS have been calling for arms. So many people say we are against indigenous people of Biafra. And I'm asking them, how? We are not against indigenous people of Biafra. How can we be against indigenous people of Biafra? Are we not IPOB members too? Are we not indigenous people too? How can we be against indigenous people of Biafra? How? How possible is it? How can you take an oath and go against the oath you took? How is it possible? If you know bad, they will kill you now. If you know bad, it's going to kill you. You took an oath that you will not that you will never ever sabotage the struggle. And IPOB, we our general went to Ibinu Abiarochukwu with Commander Bright, the leader of the volunteer force, Igbocha volunteer force, their commander, Commander Bright. The video is online where they were inside a long coaster. They were singing. They were singing in that video. That was the day General Amemon went to Arochukwu and took his oath. The men oath, etinye aka n'obi agụọ pepa eweli ofu aka enu ọ bụrụkwa dị ka a na-agwakwa gị ezigbo otu arụsị otu a na-agwa ịwụkwa otu arụsị ị na-arọ Chukwu ị na-ebu n'ụkpabị ebe a ka eji eteke ya oath. We took our oath not to sabotage the struggle, just as every BSMS soldier. Everybody, we took our oath. We took our oath not to sell the struggle. Even in BSMS. In Biafra Special Military Squad, you don't pay money to join. You don't bring a dime to join. What you come, and the only criteria that guarantees you and gives you the chance to become a member of Biafra Special Military Squad is come and take your oath. And when we talk about come and take your oath in BSMS, people will start running away. Most people will start running away. Why are you running away now if you don't have an ulterior motive? Why are you running away? But the real Biafrans are taking their oath in BSMS. People who are not willing to sell off the struggle, they are taking their oath in BSMS. And we are waxing stronger. Yes. We are waxing stronger. Mbaka has suddenly lost his voice. Mbaka has suddenly lost his voice. Mbaka is no longer talking. All the pastors, they are no longer talking. Pastor Chris, Oyedekbo, all of them, I don't know their names. All these big men of God. Paul Adefarasin, WF Kumuyi, all of them, nobody's talking again. They have gone mute, they have gone silent. They are not talking again. Members. They are being killed and decimated. Pastor Potosi, let's do prayer. Eme prayer ka aha aga echi egbu okwu onye ọzọ. Eme prayer ka aha aga nwanne echi egbu okwu onye ọzọ. Eme prayer ka aha aga. Chai. When are people going to wake up? Kedu mgbe ndị be anyị ga-emepe anya? Kedu mgbe ndị be anyị ga-emepe anya fụ ebe a mmadụ na-ekwu? Ọkasị ndị bi na mba ofesi. Ndị bi na mba ofesi na ọ bụrụkwa ha niile o. Ụfọdụ ndị bi na mba ofesi isi adịrọ ha mma. O nwere ụfọdụ ndị bi na mba ofesi owe ihe ha ma. Gwede ife ha ma cha isi akpọchigo ha. The worst part ha amarodị ụzọ nke esi aje na be ha. The worst part fa amarodị ụzọ fa si eje na be ha. They don't lost for Europe. They don't lost for Asia. They don't lost for America. And they are there telling us, hey, wait, you don't have to defend yourself. Wait first. Let us wait. And we are being killed every day. Every day can you go die now? Go. That will never stop us for calling. All those things they are doing online, all those social media blackmail, all those social media cheap propaganda can never stop Biafra Special Military Squad, because dibia gwaria onye amụma kpe onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ndị otu gbuo ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa ifile ọnụ ka anyị na-eme ejejuo ndị Fulani ife anyị na ha na-akwata. Most of you want us to come online and start telling you our accomplishments. Most of you want BSMS to come online and tell you, hey, we have killed so and so Fulanis, we have attacked here. We will never do that. If you want to know anything about BSMS, come and take your oath so that you will not sell us out. Anything you want to know about BSMS is simple. Come and take your oath. If you take your oath, then you will know whatever you want to know about Biafra Special Military Squad and how far we have gone. Ndị baya nọ na-ekpe ekpere na-eme prayer na-akọ ọnụ on Facebook na-ede RIP egbuo taa ede RIP echi egbuo ede RIP nwanne echi egbuo ede RIP de pray statement ka ha aga. Okay ịma na eburu ozu onye ọzọ ọ dịka ebu ukwu nkwụ. Chai ndị arụ ala, ndị mmadụ ndị arụ ala, ndị osochi egbu. If another person's corpse is carried, it's like we are carrying a log of wood, because the killings have not gotten to your family. That's why you don't want to talk. That's why you don't want to support. That's why you think that we are joking. Support Biafra Special Military Squad. I'm Biafra Special Military Squad. We are on ground. We know the Fulanis more than you. The Fulanis are scared of us. I'm not bragging. It's a fact on ground. You understand? It's a fact on ground. The Fulanis are scared of General Amemon. They are scared of me, Nana. If you don't know, we know ourselves. Biafra land can na. It's not about making videos in Europe, talking in Europe. Come down to Biafra land. That is why I respect Mazen Nnamdi Kanu so much. Mgbe a sịrị ya bata Biafra land bịa kwuo okwu, ọ batala. Kwuo okwu, shake ebe niile. Ejide ati ya na prison. Ọ nọrọkwa na prison na-shake iva. Ma n'ime court ha na-agwa ha na Buhari is mad. The dead Buhari that is mad. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu shake ya na the zoo before emo na ya attack na Python dance. That's why I respect Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Okwu eme ka ọ bụ. Asị abata Biafra land, ọbata Biafra land. Nye nsogbu niile onye na Biafra land. Dokasịa everybody na Biafra land. Mana awa. Mana anyị nọ na Biafra land. Ị nọ na France na-ekwu okwu, nọ na Italy na-ekwu okwu, nọ na Spain na-ekwu okwu, nọ na US na-awaje ọnụ. Batanụ ka ịbịa kwu okwu ka ịma ma aga dive gị. If you think you are a man, come back and say what we are saying. They go dive you. DSS go dive you. 2 seconds they don't dive you. How who you be? If you feel say you go feel do wetin we dey do, if you feel say wetin we dey do dey easy, come down to Biafra land and talk. If DSS no dive you under 1 week plenty now. DSS go dive you now. They go dive you now. Under 3 days, DSS go dive you. They go dive you, they go use you shine like this. You go, Nigeria Army go dive you. Nigeria Army go dive you, use you shine. Come and say what we are saying. Can you? No fit. Ashirikunu na akona. Apata na ato akashire, na akashire online. BSMS is this, BSMS is that, BSMS is that. Adingi konya agụlụ na agụ. Maka onye mbụ na agụlụ m akwụkwọ nwanne. Agụlụ m akwụkwọ gụsie ike man. I'm not a liability as you see me now. Ama m ezinụlọ nsi wee pụta. Anyị gụlụ akwụkwọ nwanne. Alụ dị m mma ana m eliju afọ abụrụ m ụmụazị. You understand? Support Biafra Special Military Squad. I ada achị ọchị. A na-agbakwu na eziokwu. Ime eziokwu na aka ilu. Eziokwu na aka ilu. Onye ọbụla mebe nke ya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, anything you can do to restore Biafra, do it. That is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. So what is this hypocrisy all about? What is this blabbing all about? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself, the person that created IPOB, said, if you know anything you can do to restore Biafra, do it. As far as you are genuinely doing it, do it. And that is what we are doing. Ndị asịrị apụta online na-akọ asịrị. Ha! Na-enu ndị a na-egbusi. Okay. Chai Chineke mụ. Ndị be anyị onye amakwa ife. Kedu ezi jụrụ ụmụ ya, pig. Ezi jụrụ ụmụ ya. Mgboro ole ka ife ga-eme unu na-amala ife. Ụfọdụ asị 30, ụfọdụ asị 60, ụfọdụ asị 700, ụfọdụ asị 80, ụfọdụ asị 95. Ụfọdụ asị ofu ugboro. Ofu nwa ya ma ife asị mba. Na ya ga-ekwe ka ife mee ya, na ya ga-eji ife mere onye ọzọ wee mụle ife. Ndị be anyị, ọ na unu achọla ịmụle ife. Ọ unu achọghị iji ife mere ndị ọzọ wee mụle ife. Kedu ife mere unu ji na-akpọ ụdị agwa na-asọkwu a na-egbu anyị ndị be anyị na-asọkwagharị na-eje chọọchị na-eje ụka na-ekpe ekpere, go to church and pray. After you go to church and pray, that is it all. They will kill you and you go back to church and start praying again. You take another prayer point and after praying that one, you come back, they will kill you again. You go back to the church again and start praying. Some of us, we are in Europe blabbing. Some of us have not even met General Amemon before, but they don't analyze how he take be saboteur. They don't even know him, but they have analyzed how he is a saboteur. He is this, he is that. They don't even know the man. And they are analyzing rubbish. And when you are castigating General Amemon, the Fulanis are happy. They are happy. They are clapping their hands because they know General Amemon. He is the demon of the East. Can you spy on the Muslims? Who among you can spy on the Muslims? How many of you can spy on the Muslims? How many of you can spy on Fulani and come out alive? Do you know what it means to spy on Fulani? For years, spy on Fulani, learn the Quran, learn the Hadith, learn everything, learn all their prayers, just to convince them that you are with them, without them knowing that you are there to tap information. That's exactly what I'm saying. How many of you can do it? How many of you can do it? But General Chukwuma Dike Amimon, the demon of the East, he went there. He spied on them. He spied on them and he knew all their strength and their weaknesses. Yes, he did. Unapụta na-akọtọ ya, na-akọtọ nwoke mmadụ na-ata afụ, tinye ndụ ya on the line, tinye ndụ family ya on the line, tinye ndụ soldiers ya on the line. Unapụta na-akọ asịrị, ndị ba ya nọrọ n'Europe na-akọ asịrị, ndị ba ya nọrọ n'obodo oyibo na-akọ asịrị. Ị na-agwa ndị ba ya nọ n'obodo oyibo na na-egbusi anyị ebe a, ọ na-efe ha efe na ntị. Father aghọta, ọ na-efe ha efe na ntị. If you tell them that we are being killed, the thing, they do them somehow for here. They know they understand say Fulani they kill us for here. Because you are in Europe. If you go to work, you come back, you on your light, you see electricity, you see running water. You pay for your internet, you live well, you drive your car on a smooth tarred road. You speak super, and come online to type rubbish. Come online to tell me that I'm fake. Amala magbuogi, Amadioha magbuogi, Kamano Ozuzo magbuogi, Ibinu Abe magbuogi, Kalundebe of Ebreba magbuogi, Carlos Welu of Ebreba magbuogi, Ezewayo Okoshimiri magbuogi, Ezewayo Okoshimiri Orodo magbuogi, Ezewayo Otamiri Orodo magbuo unu. Ndị niile na-akọtọ bịa SMS. Ndị niile na-akọtọ bịa SMS. Ọkụ ya elecha unu niile. Because unu actually former and the former ga-elu n'aka. Because your family member have not been killed, right? Because your family member have not been killed. That is why you people are so, I don't know, I lack words to tag this sort of stupidity. Now that IPOB principal officer that was killed, doesn't he have family? Or no, where is it? Ụmụ ya abụrụgo ndị gba aka nna, nwunye ya abụrụgo onye gba aka di, nke ya agago, ndị fada a na-egbusi nke ha agago, ndị chọọchị agbasịa nkịtị, ndị chọọchị agbasịa nkịtị, ndị chọọchị niile emechi ọnụ. Rome, Catholic, if you are a Catholic, shame on you. I don't give a damn. No apology. If you are a Catholic, shame on you. If you are a Catholic, shame on you. Big shame. The people that brought Catholicism, I mean Catholicism, that particular church, the people that brought it to Biafra land, the Romans, have they uttered the word against the killing of their own reverend fathers? Have they uttered the word? They have not uttered one single word. They are silent. Everybody is silent. Hey, Anatunde Fulani Egu. Hey, Hapkwan, Unebidokwana Ogwa. Ta! Kedu ife unu na-akọ ife a? Kedu ife unu na-akọ ife a? Na-atụ Fulani egwu, onye ka Fulani egwu? Ndị a dịcha ka Fish Road, dịcha ka azịza, bata na baa ya na-egbu ndị baa onye ọbụla gba nkịtị. Chee, iberibe ọrịa. Support BSMS. Ama unu BSMS, unu BSMS ngwa ọrụ ka anyị finish ọrụ a. Egwu niile unu na-atụ bụ egwu ụmụazị, egwu omele maka unu na-atụ. This hypocrisy that you guys are perpetuating is not going to help you guys. Look at the facts on ground. Look at the facts on ground. People are being killed in Biafra land and you are in Europe talking rubbish. Even those are people who are not Biafra land, they are not going to Biafra land, rubbish. When they are seeing the killings, they are still saying rubbish. They don't have sense of reasoning. We are here to defend Biafra land. We don't care what you say. We don't care whether you like BSMS. So I don't care. Me personally, I don't care if you like what we are doing, but we know what we are doing. The Fulani man, they are not able. Fulani man, they are not able. It's not a say put on a journal. It's okay. It's okay. Put online. What can the Fulani like go? It's okay. Put online. What missions and they can go out. Ta up a go say so. Because I put up online kwuo ya unu aga pụtakwa kpọkwa anyị I see now I put online, bịa kwube efe BSMS na-emego. Unu ga-apụtakwa online kpọkwa anyị iyi. So what is the need? I am nkwu ya na. That is why we are a special military squad. We can't disclose our activities to you. We can never disclose our missions to you. Our missions are secret missions. And when we carry out our missions, when is ndị Fulani alụ. Kedu ife mere ndị Fulani ji mezie intensify their attack? Why did the Fulanis intensify their attack? Ọ maka ife BSMS megolufa. Anyị emego ha ife a na-ahụ anya. You know, Fulanis, there's something about them. They don't come online to post their dead. No. The Fulanis don't come online to show you their own dead people. They don't. They will shut up and bury the person and move on with their jihad. Nke a bụ onye egburu ese picture ya tinye online. Yefo. Ma ndị nọgo Europe 50 years na amarọdị ụzọ be ha. Ana comment. RIP. If I was in that zoo, I would throw bomb in Nassau Rock. If I was in that zoo, I would do this. If I was in that time, if you are in that zoo, come and talk now. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. This hypocrisy must stop. You people must stop living in denial and see the facts on ground and talk about the facts on ground. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amimon. If you don't hail him, me I go hail him. Because the man is trying. He's doing a great job. Only sobri or making. It's not a shepherd one lane now. Full and ana to get with Bukanonye. Manana to demon of the east. If you go to the Fulanis and shout demon of the east, they will run away. If they hear the name General Amemon, Ojo na Abaha. If they hear the name Nana, Ojo na Abaha. If they hear the name BSMS, Ojo na Abaha. Because they know who we are. How my high mego fana. What's the name put online now? What if I name go? If I na you go arms, Obro na na you. Maka odimman kunu, maka odimman kunu. Maka odimman kegi. Odimman kegi. Do you think it's not easy for me to just keep quiet, move along with my life, travel to one country, relax my mind, and I will not give a fuck? I'll just gather my family, take them to one country, either Africa or Europe, relax. I'll just travel and mind my business. Do you think it's hard for me to do? Do you ichenandu ada atomoto? Ichenandu ada atomoto? Ichenandu ada atomoto? Ichenandu ada atomoto? Ichenandu ndu andi ichenandu atomoto? Mana ani meti ndum n'ụzọ. Ani meti ndum n'ụzọ. Ka m nwee ike zọpụta gị. Nọrọ na-akpọtọ m, na-akpọ m iyi, na-akpọ m nke a, na-akọtọchi anyị. Ihe ọbụla unu sọrọ unu kwuo. Ihe ọbụla ọ masịrị unu bịa online kwuo gbasa anyị. Ihe anyị ma wụ support BSMS and BSMS nye na anyị ngwa ọrụ ka anyị nyere unu aka. Nyere na ya aka ka anyị nyere unu aka. Nyere na ya aka ka anyị nyere unu aka. Nyere na ya aka ka anyị nyere unu aka. Ka anyị na-agwa unu ife a. Help us so that we can help you. Help us so that we can help you. You are saying, I'm calling for arms online. I'm calling for arms online. I'm calling for arms. Please, where do you want me to call the arms? Is it in your bedroom? You are using Facebook to call for arms. Please, is it your mother's cooking pot that I will use to call for arms? Do you know the kind of army that we have built through Facebook? People that I have not met before. I met all of them through Facebook. All the soldiers that we have that we never even know who they are, we met all of them on Facebook. They came and they took their oath. Do you know how many BSMS soldiers that are serving in the Nigerian army? Do you know how many BSMS soldiers that are serving in the Nigerian Navy? Do you know how many BSMS soldiers in the Nigerian Air Force? Do you know how many BSMS soldiers in the Nigeria Police? Do you know how many? Oh God, Ndi Amaro, Una Amaro. Do you know? Do you even know how many soldiers, our people who are loyal to the cause of Biafra, who are in the Nigerian army, who have come to BSMS to take their oaths? Do you know how many? unu na-eme ife a ha na-ele unu na-achị ọchị a na-ele unu na-achị ọchị nye na anyị ngwa ọrụ ka anyị nyere unu aka nye na anyị ife ọrụ ka anyị nyere ịchọ unu ezo nye anyị ife a mee na ife a okpuru ala underground nye na anyị ife ọrụ keep unu anyị on check. Ụfọdụ pụta ha sị if you give them arms tomorrow they will turn to South Sudan. Who told you that? Who told you that? Do you think we are not learned? You think we don't have brain? You think we don't understand the meaning of command and control? Kedu ife unu ji asọkwu ndị be anyị nyenụ na anyị fọlụ na oge adịrọkwa is teaching time saves 9. Ọ ga-akakwa mma na iji ụtụtụ chụba ewu ojii tupu chi ejie maka na chi jie if ndị anọchi Europe they will be in their houses in Europe and you will be killed. Ndị be anyị ka nna agwazi okwu a. If you are in Biafra land ọgwụ ka nna agwa okwu a na nke a na-ekwu kịta. If you like, don't support BSMS. If you like, keep castigating us. You will be killed and your brothers in Europe will come on Facebook and type RIP. Oh, if I was in Nigeria, this thing will not happen. Oh, if I was in Biafra land, I will stone bomb. If I was in Biafra land, I will scatter everywhere. Oh, they should thank their God I'm not in that zoo. And then Marion, Director Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said, Ndị be anyị na-asọkwu asọkwu. Our men, they like gossip. Ikono. Our women are even better off. Our women are even better off. Ndị be anyị na-akọ ọnụ too much. Ụmụ nwoke pụta on Facebook ha na-akọ ọnụ na-awajashi ọnụ na-akọ rubbish. Support BSMS. Arm BSMS. Come and tell us your interest. Come and tell us your interest. Kenye gị ozugbo na kenye anyị fọlụ na ka ịlụ bọọlụ na. So many people will come to and say, what are you people doing? Do you want me to come online and tell you what I'm doing? You want me to come online and tell you all the secret missions that we've carried out so that you can sabotage me and call me a fool? I'm not a fool, I'm learned, okay? Ejere m akwụkwọ nke obele njetụrụ ejere m ama m aka nri from aka ekpe na ama m even na. Yes. What we show you on Facebook is what we want you to see. What we say is what we want you to hear. If you want to know more and the deep about BSMS and the missions that we've been carrying out, come closer and take your oath. What is our oath? That you will not betray Biafra. Oath Aroshi, orukwa oath church, orukwa oath eji pepa iti aka n'obi wenye aka enu. Mba. Oath a ebu iburu hala our oath. If you swear to our oath and you want to go and sabotage us, before you talk Jack Robinson, Amadioha will come there and meet you. If you take BSMS oath and you want to take our information to DSS, before you think it inside your mind and shout Jack Robinson, Amadioha bia na begi. That is why they are scared of BSMS. Because I didn't make him pianya. If for plasma, we go on them. We don't on them for them already. They watch them. In the secret, they are watching it. But the Fulanis are smart. They don't come online to show you they are dead. That's one thing about them. If you like, kill 100 Fulanis, they won't come online and post it. Lie, they won't. Each of boom Fulani 1000. Haga put online tia. Haga lea. Fuoga fungufunobi. Ha leaya. Lienda, then they will intensify their attack. And that is what they are doing now. They are intensifying their attack. Anyị ebunyego ha ọlụ na BSMS ebunyego ha ọlụ maka na dibịa gwọrịa onye amụma kpee onye amụma ọzọ ekparịa ndị otu buo ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa otu akụ ụwa dị dibịa ka dibịa mmụọ ka mmụọ agbara ka agbara arụsị ka arụsị. You understand? Fulani a unu na-atụ egwu. Fulani na-atụ anyị wee egwu. Fulani na-atụ anyị wee egwu. Anyị nwa Fulani na-atụ anyị egwu. They are scared of us. But you are scared of them. But they are scared of us. The people you are scared of, they are scared of us. They know what we can do. If BSMS soldiers file out, Jen kunu jụọ ese, Jen kunu jụọ ndị Fulani ese a ga-agwa unu if I na-emeva. Jen kunu jụọ ha ese. Go and ask them what's up about BSMS. They will tell you. Go and ask DSS about BSMS. They will tell you how brutal we did. Ade ejide ikuku n'aka, akwa ifu ikuku ejide ikuku. akwa ife ikuku ijide ikuku ihe anyị na-emewu ihe mmụọ onye a na-achọrọ aja bụ oke mmụọ ihe Fulani na-agwọwa ọgwụ Fulani they believe in diabolism. That's what they believe in. They believe in diabolism. Ha na-agwọsi ọgwụ ike mana n'ime ọgwụ ahụ ha na-agwọ anyị nwa ka ha agwọ dị ọgwụ anyị nwa na-agwọsikwa ọgwụ ike maka na ihe awụ ọgụ ime mmụọ dibịa gwọrịa onye amụma kpee onye amụma ọzọ ekparịa ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa ya otu akwụwa dị nye na anyị ngwa ọlụ ka anyị nyere ụnụ aka nye na anyị ngwa ọlụ ka anyị nyere ụnụ aka ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịpụta na mmepe kwuo ya ka ụwa mara na gị nyere anyị ngwa ọlụ nọrọ na nzuzo nye anyị kpọọ anyị n'ekwentị mụọ chọrọ anyị bịa dunye mmadụ ka a chọrọ anyị bịa anyị ga-agwa gị ebe ị ga-afụ anyị ị chọrọ anyị bịa anyị na ga-ekwu terms and conditions. You understand what I'm trying to say? Ọ dibịa gwọrịa Fulani na-agwọ ọgwụ Fulani ihe ha na-agwọ ọgwụ kedu ihe unu ji atụrụ ha egwu kedu ihe unu ji atụ ndị Fulani egwu kedu ihe unu ji atụ dị mma unu na-atụ ha egwu ha mara na egwu na unu na-atụ ha egwu a na-egbusikwu unu ike na-egbusikwu unu ike na-egbusikwu unu ike. You are scared of Fulani but Fulani is scared of us. You are scared to fight the Fulanis but they are scared of BSMS. Nyelu na aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka ụmụnne nyelu na aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka ịkọ asịrị na Facebook will never help us ịkpọ iyi na Facebook can never help us. Nyelu na aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka nyelu na aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka eme ngwa emeghara ọdachi onye mara asụ ya sụọ n'ikwe onye na-amaghị asụ ya sụọ n'ala ma ọ sụọ ya na apata ya ma ọ sụọ ya n'elu ụkwụ ya. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amemon, the demon of the East himself. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka aka na-ekwu ya ọ dị ka onye a na-ekwu okwu too much. Chineke nna nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Onwekwa onye m si nye m ego agwara a na-agụ m ihe anyị si unu wunye nye na anyị ngwa ọlụ nye na anyị ngwa ọlụ asị gị kwụnyelu m ego na akaụntụ asị unu kwụnyelu m na ego adị m ka onye agụrụ na-agụ otu si ihe ego onye agụụ na-agụ anụ m ọfụma ana m eliju afọ enwere m ezinụlọ m na-enye nri na-enyejuva afọ alụ dịfa ọfụma. But I brought out myself. I'm risking my family. I'm risking my family. General Amemon is risking his family. All our soldiers are risking their families. Do you know what it means to have BSMS soldiers in the midst of Nigerian army? Do you know what it means? I mean, they are on Nigeria soldier attire, but they are BSMS soldiers. Loyal to us under oath. I said under oath. Even in the Navy, we have BSMS soldiers. They are under oath, giving us all the information we want. Under oath. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Church will not save you. Your pastor will not save you. Your pastor will only call for prayers. Ikpesi ekpele na ka haga. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Support BSMS and BSMS. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka ka anyị wele n'ụtụtụ chụọ ewu ojii tupu chi ejie maka na chi jie ọ ga-alakwa ahụ ifu ewu ojii a. People in abroad they will be there and you will be killed, and they will, in the morning they will be there and you will be killed. They will type RIP in the morning. They will drive their car and go to work. They will enjoy their life over there in a labor and akwa. You keep putting the word on notice. You need put to the word on notice. You need put to the word on notice. You need put to the word on notice. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Support BSMS and BSMS akpọkwa mmiri n'ọnụ na-ekwu ya. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Ya gajie eziokwu ka nna agwa unu nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amemon, the demon of the East. God bless his second in command, General Ezechukwu Festus. God bless Commander Jerry Nduka. God bless Commander Tango. God bless Commander Chukwu Onyaba. God bless BSMS as a whole. God bless I myself. God bless all of us of freedom. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Anaghị eme unu apụta na-akọtọ anyị. A na-asụ nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Unu anọrọ na-akọtọgharị anyị. Mgbe oge eleji. Ufulu okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọ na-asị nekwa anya na rasịa m. Anyị ga-asị unu nekwa anya rasịa m. Maka na ebulu ozu onye ọzọ. Ime ebulu ozu onye ọzọ ọ dịka ebu ukwu nkwụ. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. A stitch in time saves 9. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Support Biafra Special Military Squad. We are more than capable of doing this job. You are scared of Fulani. Fulani is scared of us. You people, you are scared of the Fulanis, but the Fulanis in question are scared of us. They don't want you to arm BSMS. The Fulanis don't want you to arm BSMS. Because they know that if you arm BSMS here, Chineke namo. Che. Ne ko no Fulani kwan. Ne ko no Fulani o maza na agwata ga-enye ha ọsọ no. BSMS soldiers so ndị nọ na agwata ga-enye ha ọsọ. Ọ BSMS ndị nke nọ na Aba. Ndị nke nọ na Aba ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ya. Ka ndị nke nọ na Owerri. Ọ soldiers nọ na Enugu. Ka ndị nke nọ na Igwu Ọcha. Kedu ka ọ bụ? Kedu ka ọ bụ? Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. Kedu ka anyị ga-esi na-agwa ndị mmadụ ka ha nyela aka ka anyị ike nyelu ha aka ha nọrọ na-akpọ anyị iyi na-akpọ anyị afa na-ekwesịrị ekwesị na anyị bụkwa ka abụrụkwa nka chai ndị anyị na-achọ inyela aka Chineke nna ọ fịarọ m arụ ịkpọkọ ezinụlọ m chọọ ofu obodo kpọje ha chọọ ofu obodo m nwa jee biliwe ndụ m lepụrụ onye ọbụla anya onye a chọrọ egbuo ya ọ gbasara m. You understand? Nyelu na aka ka nyelu na aka. We have been doing our part. We've been playing our part with the little resources we have. I can see a comment here. Bro, start with what you got. My brother, Frank Loen, the mayor. I don't need to come online and start telling you what we have been doing, okay? I don't. I'm under oath, and I'm not stupid enough to do it because this is social media. I can't come online and be telling you our accomplishments. If you want to know what our accomplishments are and what we have done so far, come closer, take your oath. Then you can know everything you want to know about us. Then you can know if we are really working or we are somewhere bragging or saying rubbish. Okay? The Fulanis, we are giving 100 billion. That was the one we saw in the open. 100 billion. Kedukwana maka nke enyere ha na nzuzo ka ha were zụọ gịnị ngwa agha. They have the army at their disposal. They have the navy at their disposal. They have the air force at their disposal. Ndị ba kedu ife anyị ji nwa obele anyị ji eji anọrọ na-akpọ ha iyi fele na unu ga-ebutu awa moral taa. Unu enweghị ike ibutu awa moral. The more unu na-akpọ BSMS iyi, the more anyị na-eto. The more unu na-akpọ anyị iyi, the more anyị na-eto. The more unu na-akpọ anyị iyi, the more awa moral na-esi ike. The more unu na-akpọ anyị iyi, the more anyị na-agwọsị ọgwụ anyị ike. Maka na ejiro Jesus Christ achụ Fulani. Onye fili na-eji in Jesus name, amen, na iji achụ Fulani, you are deceiving yourself. You are deluding yourself. Onweghị ka ị na-aghọrị. Fulani na-agwọ ọgwụ, onwe ihe ọzọ ha na-eme. Ewerela anụ nama jide ndị be anyị kịtịsie ndị be anyị anya. Ewerela anụ nama mee ndị be anyị ọgwụ. Nri niile ndị Fulani na-egbu abịa n'obodo a ndị be anyị na-eli ewuli akịtịsịa ndị be anyị anya. Fesịa ndị be anyị ọgwụ, kwụsịa ndị be anyị ọgwụ, ndị be anyị nọrọ ka ha bụrụzi mmadụ. Ndị Fulani na-achịsa ọchị. Den ndị wepụtara onwe ha ma na ndị a nọ on ground na ndị a na-enye ha nsogbu na-apụtazi na-akọtọ ndị ahụ. Fulani a nọ na-achị ọchị. Because when you castigate BSMS, the Fulanis are very happy. The Fulanis, they don't want you to arm BSMS. The Fulanis, they don't want you to arm BSMS. They don't want you to arm BSMS. Yes, they want you to be castigating BSMS. Because they know who we are, they know what we are. They know what we and them. We are the people that post our dead online. Do they post their dead online? Ndị Fulani ifunugo na ndị Fulani na-egburu ofu Fulani fasa picture ati online sị gị na lekwe nwanne ha egburu taa ndị Fulani adịghị mkwa na ọdị ya ha ga-alụ ya ha lia ha ebe akwa ya ha bechaa akwa ya ha eli onye ahụ ha lichaa onye ahụ ebidokwa jihad ebe a kwụsịrị jihad ha na-agakwa. That is why we are calling for us, because I'm on ground. I'm not in Europe. Some people say I'm in Ghana. Hey, Chineke nna melu mebele biko. Ke ọ dịka ife bụ nka. Chee, Chineke. Kedu ọ dịka ihe bụ nka. They said I'm in Ghana. Chee, Chineke nna melu mebele. Nenu ndị anyị chọrọ inyere aka. Hai, Chineke nna. Ka m gwazie unu ifu ndị niile na-akọ asịrị gbasara BSMS asịrị gị onwere ebe o ji azụ aga, onwere ebe asịrị gị ji azụ aga. Your cheap blackmail, your cheap media propaganda, your cheap media gossip is going nowhere. You understand? Exactly what I'm telling you. You people, you are too small to stop Biafra Special Military Squad. Frank Loyen, the mayor, if you want to know more about BSMS, inbox me. Alright? Thank you. Abịrọ m ihe a ịkpọ mmadụ iyi, abịrọ m ihe a ịkọ mmadụ ọnụ, ihe nna agwa unu m eziokwu nọ on ground. Eziokwu nọ on ground, ka anyị bido ngọbụ onwe anyị eziokwu. Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eme press statement ya arụ? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eme protest ya arụ? Ndị pastọ anọrọ na-ezuzugharị, ndị reverend fada anọrọ na-ezuzugharị, ndị be anyị anọrọ na-asọkwugharị, ha amaghị ife na-eme, a na-achị ọchị. Ụfọdụ anọrọ n'Europe na-eme pati, na-enwe ngala, na-enwe obi aṅụrị, mana na-ewe ndị be anyị. Ndị inyom anyị na-agazi ọrụ ubi, ndị inyom ndị mma fada ejezi ọrụ ubi, ha lụọ n'ọrụ ubi. Fulani gafu Fulani na-asụ alụ, Fulani ebido na-alava. Onye mma, ndị mma kara nka na-aga ubi akọ ugbo, Fulani na-ejide ha jahee ha ụkwụ. Old women, they rape the old women and they kill them. And our people are still talking rubbish. They are in Europe talking rubbish, castigating the people on ground. You are in Europe castigating somebody that is on ground. Are you not mad? You are very mad now. You are a hypocrite now. You are a hypocrite. A big one. Kebu. Support Biafra Special Military Squad. Asekwa munu kwelu mego na account. Since mbidoro kwube okwu arms, kwube MC kwelu mego na account. Ife anyị na-agwa unu bụ nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. You understand? Exactly. Help us so that we can help you. You have to help us so that we can help you. Ihe abụrụ ihe ịkọ ọnụ ọ ịpụta na Facebook na-press like, na-react love, na-comment. Ị na-agagharị n'ọzara, ị chọghị ịkwa mbọ, ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra, ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra. Ị na-agagharị n'ọzara, ị chọghị ịkwa mbọ, ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra, ọkwa mgbe agha biri n'oge zawa Biafra. Welile gị gụọ eze gị ọnụ. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka, nye anyị ngwa ọlụ, nye na anyị ife ọlụ. We are more than capable. The Fulanis, they are scared of us. They are scared of us. The Fulanis are scared of us. And you are there. You are scared of them. But they are scared of BSMS. They are scared of General Amimo. They are scared of General Ezechukwu. They are scared of Commander Nana. They are scared of Commander Nduka Jerry. They are scared of Commander Thank God. They are scared of Commander Chukwu Onyaba. They are scared of all BSMS commanders and soldiers on ground. They are scared of us. Makana ha mana ihe ha na-agwọ ọgwụ. Ana n'ime ọgwụ ahụ ha na-agwọ, anyị ka ha n'ime ya. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu unu aka. Ọ kwụsịgo m n'ọnụ. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amimo, the demon of the East himself. God bless Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless all lovers of freedom. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Ama ife mere m ji wole Igbo kwuo okwu taa. Ama m ife mere m ji wole Igbo kwuo ọtụtụ okwu niile m kwuru taa. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Nye na anyị ngwa ọrụ a. Ka unu fụzie movie na. Ka unu fụzie plasma nọ. Ọkwa anyị na-eme anyị na-ebupụta online na-afụ ya na plasma. Anyị na-eme ihe na-afụ na ihe sọpọtụ niile ị nyere BSMS na onweghị isi na ị na-afụ ya. Enough ya. Ya ka nji na-agwa unu. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Ndị be anyị nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Ndị ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri a bi n'Europe. Cowards, I call them. Bicha n'Europe na-atụgharị ụjọ. Ụfọdụ ha alụsịgo nwaanyị ndị ọcha. Ụfọdụ ha alụọ mma ha dịsa n'ụlọ. Dịsa n'ụlọ na-eme na ha bi n'obodo oyibo a na-egbusi nne ha na nna ha na-ara ụmụnne ha. Ha nọrọ online na-akọ rubbish. Oge ereji na adagwa oti ntị n'agha esula. Nyelu na ya aka ka anyị nyelu na aka. Support BSMS and BSMS. Ọ gwụsịgokwa m n'ọnụ. Ka udo chị anụ.